If you think rivers should be straight as a ruler, think again. These water highways have their own wild side. Let's see why. Rivers curve because water is always searching for the easiest path. When water hits a bump or soft soil, it erodes one side and drops dirt on the other. Over time, these little changes create big bends called meanders. Fun fact, some rivers loop so much they can form a circle called an oxbow lake. Nature's got some cool tricks, right? If you're curious for more, hit that subscribe button.